Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today we're going to unbox this portable ice maker, ice cube maker. It's by Igloo, and sorry, you can see this does about 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period. So I had one of these last year, and I bought it along with us to my daughter and her boyfriend's camper, and it worked really well. It just kept making ice. You just add water, and it just kept making ice and making ice and making ice, because ice, going to these convenient gas stations and stuff, 20-pound bag of ice is $5-6 now. And I got this for Christmas, and now I'm going to do an unboxing. But anyway, they liked the ice maker so much we gave it to them. So they use it, and then when we go camping in the next couple weeks, we're going to bring this along too, so we can have ice to fill our coolers and drinks and stuff like that. And then I'm just going to start making ice and then put it in the freezer, and then we can have it whenever we want it. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. And like I said, the one that I had before, I really liked it. Nothing wrong with it. The only thing that you have to remember now is when you're making ice with this, so like when we went camping, it was really hot. It was like 85, 90 degrees. And the ice maker had a heck of a time keeping up with making it. Just like, I don't know if it was because it's too warm. So my advice is, if you're using this outside, put it like maybe in the garage or a house or your trailer, your camper, and kind of keep it a little bit cooler. We had it outside under a canopy, and it was doing okay, but you could tell, like, when it cooled down towards the evening, it was able to make more ice. It didn't seem like it was struggling that much. So I'm gonna pause this video. I'm gonna open this up, and then we'll unbox it, and then I'll show you how the ice is being made. Okay, we are back. It comes with a little ice scooper, if you want, instead of using your hands. And it comes with this little basket that loads up the ice. And then here's the max, where you have to work. Here it says maximum. That's as far as you can go with the water. So we just want to I'm just going to put some water in there so we can give it a trial run. And then it has a drain plug at the bottom. This is self-cleaning too, so if it ever gets dirty. So almost 2 of these water bottles almost fills it up. So we want to, excuse me, we want to put that back in, and then we want to turn it on. And then, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. This is large, this is small, this is self-cleaning, and she's ready to roll. So we'll just close it up, and then I'm not going to run the tape or the video all through the time why it's going to take, because it's going to take about maybe 10-15 minutes to make a round of ice. So when it's ready to dump, I will show you that, and we'll go from there. So it just stopped making ice. There's about 9 of the cubes in there. Yep, 9. And like I said, it takes about 10 minutes to make ice. So this is about 3 rounds of ice cubes. Not bad, 10 minutes. Probably be enough for 1 drink right now. But like I said, it takes about 10 minutes. And as long as you just keep the water filled. If for some reason you forget to turn this off, and let's say during the night, if the ice cubes will melt, and then it'll recirculate because there's water that goes back in the bottom there. So yeah, I think this is pretty good. I know a lot of people talk about them on the camping reviews, that they just love these. So like I said, it's, you know, you can load up some ice in your cooler or your drinks or whatever you want to use. So that should do it for this video. Again, this is an Igloo ice maker, portable ice maker. Just plugs into a regular outlet, and you can add water. I would just be careful, you know, add clean water, obviously, so it doesn't harm anything, and you know, should be good to go. So I appreciate everybody watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you want to, no, actually, here's a good time to subscribe to my channel, because I'll have other videos coming out. And I know, you know, like today, I know my YouTube channel is called Stay Outside and Explore. Well, today, you know, we are inside. It is raining today. Today is Saturday. It's raining. It's like 44 degrees. Yesterday it was like 65, really nice. Thursday it was 65. And then tomorrow is supposed to be kind of the same thing, Monday. And then I think Wednesday, starting Wednesday, the temperatures are going to start to creep up a little bit. But I haven't even got anywhere into my garden or anything yet, because it's just been so cold. Can't put nothing out yet. So, but yeah, I think that should do it for this video. And we'll see you again next time. I appreciate everybody watching.